Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a beautiful girl named Emma. She was 20 years old. Emma had blue eyes and golden hair. Her family was poor, but they were happy. They lived in a small house and loved each other very much. Emma loved to read books. She dreamed of a better life. One day, she went to the village market. There, she met a boy named Alex. Alex was tall and handsome. He had dark hair and a kind smile. Alex came from a rich family. His parents owned a big house and many lands. Emma and Alex became friends. They talked a lot and laughed together. They liked to walk in the fields and by the river. Alex told Emma about his dreams. Emma shared her hopes with Alex. They felt very close to each other. One day, Alex said to Emma, "I love you, Emma. Will you marry me?" Emma was very happy. She said, "Yes, Alex, I love you too." They hugged and dreamed about their future together. But there was a problem. Alex's parents did not like Emma. They thought she was not good enough for their son because she was poor. Alex's mother said, "Alex, you cannot marry Emma. She is not from a rich family." Alex's father agreed. "Yes, you need to find someone from a rich family." Alex was very sad. He loved Emma and did not want to leave her. He told his parents, "I love Emma. She is kind and good. Money is not important." But his parents did not listen. They said, "If you marry Emma, we will not support you." Emma knew about the problem. She was also very sad. She loved Alex, but did not want to cause problems for him. She told Alex, "Maybe it is better if we do not marry. I do not want to make your life difficult." Alex said, "No, Emma, I will always love you. We will find a way." Days passed, and Alex tried to convince his parents, but they did not change their minds. Emma's family also knew about the problem. They were worried about Emma. Her mother said, "Emma, we love you. We want you to be happy, but maybe it is better to let Alex go." Emma cried many nights. She did not know what to do. She loved Alex, but she did not want to hurt him. One day, she decided to talk to Alex. She said, "Alex, I love you very much, but I think it is better if we do not marry. Your parents will never accept me. I do not want to make your life hard." Alex was heartbroken. He said, "Emma, I cannot live without you, but I understand. I will always love you." They hugged and cried together. They knew their love was strong, but the world was against them. Emma and Alex decided to stay friends. They promised to always support each other, but their hearts were broken. They knew they could never be together. Emma continued to live with her family. She worked hard and helped them. Alex also continued his life. but he always remembered Emma. Years passed, and Emma and Alex still loved each other. They never forgot their love. They knew that sometimes love is not enough. They learned that life can be hard, but they always kept their love in their hearts. Emma worked in the village. She helped her family and neighbors. She was kind to everyone. People in the village loved her. They knew she had a good heart. Alex also worked hard. He helped his family with their business. He was kind and fair to everyone. One day, Emma's father became very sick. Emma was very worried. She took care of him day and night. She prayed for him to get better. Alex heard about Emma's father. He wanted to help. He went to see Emma. He said, "Emma, I am sorry to hear about your father. Can I help you?" Emma was touched by Alex's kindness. She said, "Thank you, Alex. Your support means a lot to me." Alex brought medicine and food for Emma's family. He visited them often. Emma's father slowly got better. Emma was very grateful to Alex. She said, "Alex, you have a big heart. Thank you for helping us." Alex smiled and said, "Emma, I will always be here for you." Emma and Alex spent more time together. They talked about their dreams and hopes. They knew they still loved each other. But they also knew that Alex's parents would never accept their love. They decided to stay friends and support each other. One day, Alex had to go to the city for work. He told Emma, "I have to leave for a while, but I will write to you." Emma was sad, but understood. She said, "I will miss you, Alex. Please take care." Alex hugged Emma and said, "I will miss you too. I will come back soon." Alex went to the city. He worked hard and learned many new things. He wrote letters to Emma. He told her about his life in the city. Emma wrote back to Alex. She told him about her life in the village. They shared their thoughts and feelings through letters. Time passed, and Alex became successful in his work. He saved money and helped his family, but he never forgot Emma. He still loved her and thought about her every day. Emma also thought about Alex. She missed him, but was happy to hear about his success. One day, Alex decided to visit the village. He wanted to see Emma. He went to her house and knocked on the door. Emma opened the door and was surprised to see Alex. She said, "Alex, you are back." Alex smiled and said, "Yes, Emma, I missed you." They talked for a long time. Alex told Emma about his life in the city. Emma told Alex about her life in the village. They laughed and shared their memories. Alex said, "Emma, I still love you. I want to be with you." Emma was happy but worried. She said, "Alex, I love you too. But what about your parents?" Alex said, "I have saved money. I can support us. I don't need my parents' approval anymore." Emma was touched by Alex's determination. She said,
"Alex, I am proud of you, but I don't want to cause problems for you." Alex replied, "Emma, you are my happiness. I want to be with you." Emma and Alex decided to be together. They knew it would not be easy, but they were ready to face the challenges. They got married in a small ceremony with their friends and family. Emma's family was very happy for her. They knew Alex was a good man. Alex's parents were not happy about the marriage. They did not attend the ceremony, but Alex and Emma did not let that stop them. They loved each other and were determined to make their life together work. Emma and Alex moved to the city. They started a new life together. They worked hard and supported each other. They faced many challenges, but their love kept them strong. They knew that as long as they had each other, they could overcome anything. Years passed, and Emma and Alex built a happy life together. They had children and taught them the values of love and kindness. They never forgot their journey and the challenges they faced. They knew that true love is strong and can overcome any obstacle. Emma and Alex grew old together. They looked back on their life with happiness and pride. They knew that their love had made them better people. They were grateful for each other and the life they had built together. And so, Emma and Alex lived happily ever after, always cherishing the love they shared. They knew that true love never dies, and they found peace in the knowledge that their love had made their lives meaningful and beautiful. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.